Welcome to our channel, where we explore intriguing topics that spark meaningful discussions. Today, we tackle a fascinating question: does avoiding sex make a woman more beautiful? Let's delve into this subject with an open mind and separate fact from fiction. Segment 1. The myth of abstinence and beauty. The notion that abstaining from sex enhances a woman's beauty has been passed down through generations. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Beauty is a subjective concept, influenced by various factors, and not solely determined by one's sexual activity. Segment 2. Understanding beauty and self-care. True beauty is rooted in self-care and self-confidence. Engaging in activities that promote physical and mental well-being, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness, contribute to a radiant appearance. Segment 3. The impact of sex on physical health. Engaging in consensual and safe sexual activity can have positive effects on physical health. It releases endorphins, reduces stress, and can contribute to a healthier immune system, all factors that can enhance one's overall appearance. Segment 4. Debunking the worn out myth. Some believe that sex depletes a woman's energy and leaves her looking worn out. On the contrary, a satisfying sexual relationship can boost energy levels and promote better sleep, positively impacting a woman's appearance. Segment 5. Sex and mental health. Intimacy and connection in a sexual relationship can positively affect mental health. It can foster feelings of happiness, contentment, and emotional well-being, which can reflect in a woman's outer beauty. Segment 6. Embracing a balanced perspective. Rather than focusing on avoiding or engaging in sex for the sake of beauty, it is essential to prioritize a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Embrace self-love, self-acceptance, and engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. As we conclude this exploration of whether avoiding sex makes a woman more beautiful, let us remember that true beauty radiates from within. It is not defined by external factors or societal myths. Embracing a positive self-image and engaging in self-care are the keys to feeling beautiful, confident, and empowered. We hope this video has encouraged you to question stereotypes and adopt a healthier perspective on beauty and well-being. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from this message. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video for more enlightening discussions.